"76 years ago, on a cold February day, in Maumit village of East Khasi Hills district, the home of Iam Maulong and Sajarsan Thankyo was filled with the warmth and joy of the birth of a baby boy, who would one day grow up to become a stalwart leader of Meghalaya and its people. Born on 1st February 1946, Evancius Kek Maulong was the third of 7 children. Much of his early childhood years was spent in Maumit, and from a very early age, he proved himself to be a bright and outstanding student. Throughout his student life, Maulong made quite an impact on the people he met with his intelligence and helpful nature, and in the process, made lifelong friends along the way. Although he was a teacher by profession, his heart was always in politics. His political career began when he was elected from Umroi constituency to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council as an independent member in 1972. He started his innings as a legislator in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly in 1978 as an independent representing the Umroi constituency, a seat to which he was re-elected for 6 consecutive terms. As a representative of the people, he affiliated himself with the Indian National Congress and the Hill State People's Democratic Party until he founded the United Democratic Party in the year 1997. During this time, he donned the hat of Minister of State, a cabinet minister, and Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, and all the while he worked tirelessly in bringing huge infrastructural and developmental activities in his constituency and the state as a whole. The pinnacle of his political career came on 8th March 2000, when he was elected as the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, replacing fellow UDP member, the late B.B. Lingdop. Like most careers, Maulong's career was marked with many highs and lows, but through it all, he was able to uphold his integrity, humility, and patience. On 18th October 2008, a pall of gloom engulfed the state when news of Maulong's demise spread. He died at the age of 62, following a prolonged illness. Refusing a state funeral, Maulong was given a simple burial by his family, celebrating the life of a simple man with lofty thoughts, amidst the presence of thousands of well-wishers at the Mauprem Catholic Cemetery. To many people, Evancius Kek Maulong was many things: a statesman, an orator par excellence, a diligent worker of the Catholic Association, and a man with a unique vision for the state. But to those who knew the real him, he was all this and so much more: a caring husband, a loving father, and an indulgent grandfather who led an exemplary, principled life worthy of emulation. This is the Evancius Kek Maulong who will forever live on in our hearts.